According to me, the biggest or maybe the only obstacle in anyone's life towards his way to success is failure. Failure can arise due to following factors: odd situations which arise due to unknown reason, but the major factor is which we arouse ourselves. Sounds strange? We are humans, and no one can say that he never overthinks, as we have a brain. Not even a single name of human have been registered till now who have achieved full control over his brain. Our brain is the only one which arises factors that may lead to failure. But the best part is also itself the brain. The only difference arises is that we even don't know how to cope up with different situations, usually the odd ones, using our brain. For example, when a person gets failed, then according to philosophers with unofficial degree, everything happens with the approval of God, the traditional one. At the same time, another voice strikes our eardrum that maybe we didn't work harder enough. So here I am going to answer whether to move on or to get ready again to get success in the same field or stream. The simplest answer to it is be selfish. Yes. Sounds irrelevant? No, it's not. I will tell you how. Just opt the choice as per the situation. For instance, go with option second, but in other case, if you think there will be more benefit to go with philosophers, then opt that choice. Wait, not easy as that. Before proceeding to the decision, first prepare yourself to take the decision as a mature person. Because it's not that easy to opt even from two choices given here. First of all, stop feeling yourself fallen down from your own throne. I mean, don't compare the personality you are with that what you were when the situations were in favor. Just love yourself as you are. Secondly, stop feeling yourself inferior from those who have taken over you. Just think maybe the intensity of odd factors in their lives was not that high than in yours. Many says that it is human tendency to think of the negative side too, at least at once. I would say to them that think about it but only once. Now if you have achieved this level of mental thinking, you are able to make a decision. Remember, the value of achievement lies in achieving. So even after failure, don't let down your interest to win. I mean, do what you do, but with your full efficiency, so that when you succeed, then your own soul salute you.